Hello and welcome back to Bradley Penny Aviation. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing this Thomas Cook Airbus A330-200 in the Sunny Hearts livery, made by NG Models and 1:400 scale. Let's get started. The aircraft is packed away inside of this standard NG box. The aircraft, registration and airline logo are all shown on the front of the box. The NG Models logo is shown on the front, back and sides of the box. As you can see, the box is thought out and designed perfectly. It shows the airline colours and themed around gay pride, with the rainbow shown on the front and back of the box. It is very easy to open up the box. However, do be careful when opening. As I said in my previous unboxing video, to some collectors, the box is just as important as the model itself. The model was packaged perfectly inside of a thick styrofoam layer to prevent any damages during shipping, which I think is a very good idea. And finally, here it is. G-MD-BD is the registration of the model in front of us now. It is an Airbus A330-200 currently grounded at Manchester Airport since September of 2019 when Thomas Cook went into administration. It was painted in a Sunny Hearts livery back in 2018. It's one of 5 aircraft that were painted with this symbol to represent 5 years of the company supporting Manchester Pride and 50 years since the Stonewall riots. The aircraft is currently 21 years old and has been with Thomas Cook ever since. It will likely be sold on or scrapped very soon. Overall, I am very happy with my model. I would highly recommend you use it for your model airport as it is such a nice model. If you would like to purchase this model, I will leave a link in the description down below. If you have enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe for more weekly content just like this. That's all from me, take care and stay safe.